What's the meaning of Bay City? Bay City. Bay City.
Bay City. Bay City. Bay City is a term used to refer to multiple cities around the world that are situated on or near a bay. The name reflects the geographical location of these cities, as well as their historical and economic significance. Examples of Bay City include San Francisco in California, USA, Mobile in Alabama, USA, and Sanya in Hainan, China. The presence of a bay in these cities often contributes to their beauty and charm, while also making them important hubs for trade and commerce. In many cases, the bay serves as a vital transportation link, connecting these cities to nearby regions and beyond.